Breast cancer inspires a bigger plan to give back. Tarsha Rogers says keeping her hair through chemotherapy helped with her confidence.
In tonight's Life Connected, celebrating Black History Month, Michael Brownlee and photographer Armando Aparicio show us how she's paying it forward.
So how you feeling?
I feel good. I am a mother. I'm a wife.
And she's an entertainer. But in 2014, Tarsha Rogers was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer. There were second and third opinions, surgeries, radiation, chemotherapy, and the fear of losing her hair.
At the end of the day, it's all about saving your life. But every female that goes through this is thinking about, oh my God, I'm going to lose my hair. You're taking so much from me. Now you want to take my hair too? So it's like, no, you can't have it.
Tarsha's younger sister battled breast cancer and did lose her hair during chemo.
It's up and back.
So Tarsha researched and decided on cold cap therapy.
All right.
The ice packs keep much of the chemo from reaching the hair follicles. For some women, it can mean saving some of the hair. And for Tarsha?
I didn't lose not one lick of hair.
This was a win, but the chemo wore Tarsha down physically. Her spirit, her soul, and her shine were fading.
So I'm laying on the floor. I'm like, just take me now. And then it's this voice from God. It's like, I have a purpose for you. And I picked up a pen and a pad and just started writing the words to Still I Rise.
Thought you could knock me down. Thought you could count me out.
Tarsha's lyrical response to cancer that ignited the rebuilding of her spirit, her soul, and her shine.
Stand strong each and every day. I fight to win, never giving up or giving in. Still I rise.
Still I Rise from Cancer, the title of her personal fight song and her nonprofit.
You can't go through this by yourself. You got to have support.
On behalf of Still I Rise, we want to present you with this award for you for your battle with cancer.
Still I Rise awards scholarships to cover some of the cost of cold cap therapy for eligible women who apply.
February 11th is the day I got the call.
And you were told what?
Erica, it's cancer.
Erica Collins was diagnosed with triple-negative breast cancer in 2019, which, according to the American Cancer Society, is more common in Black women, more aggressive, and more difficult to treat.
If my babies weren't in the car, I probably would have just screamed to the top of my lungs.
The screaming came later, along with the tears.
Okay.
But the single mother vowed to fight, and not just for herself.
So, I had those babies to take care of.
Erica lost her hair during her 6 months of chemo, and by October, she was cancer-free. Healthy enough to go back to work, but didn't feel or look like the old Erica, so she reached out to Tarsha.
I think this one might be perfect for you.
The Cold Cap Scholarship is just one layer of Still I Rise. Tarsha connected and partnered with Magic Hair Company in Culver City,
It really did a lot for me.
where each custom wig is cut, colored, and styled by Magic Hair Company's own Janice Russell.
So you see this wig has a center part right here.
And the cost for each wig?
This is beautiful.
As much as $1,400, all of it covered by Tarsha's nonprofit.
I'm here for a purpose. I'm here to serve, and I walk in that purpose.
From pain to purpose to paying it forward.
It's like a sisterhood.
One woman giving her sisters the